beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much. Welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you a new something or other that I picked up from Louis Vuitton. Oh my gosh, you guys. Something exciting is in the air. So anyways, if you are new to this channel, here on this channel I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. Of course, fragrance is a huge love over here, but let's be honest, she loves talking about and covering all things fancy and fabulous, darling. So if you too like and can appreciate those type of things, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. Go ahead and smash the notification bell. That way you will be alerted every single time a video is placed on this channel. My scent of the day is... haven't decided yet. I'm still playing with fragrances. I have a few more videos to shoot, so I don't know what my scent of the day is. But stay tuned. I'll probably share it with you in the final video. If you see this shirt more than once, it just means that I was working and I didn't go change. Anyways, you guys, I'm not going to make this long. Let's get into this video. Thumbnail time. Ooh. Got it. Okay, so here is our box. Here's how it came packaged in the bag. I guess we're back to this packaging. I don't think this packaging is new. I've seen it before. So here's my receipt here. Are we still doing this in the community? Here's the receipt. Oh my gosh, you guys, don't take this video too seriously. I don't know all the names, all the whatever. No, don't know all that. I walked in. Let me give you a little bit of a backstory. Of course, ribbon is off. I was looking for a vanity case. I was going to get the one from Chanel. However, Chanel's out of everything. Okay, I was so like, what in the world when I left out of Chanel? I went shopping on Rodale. If you're following me on Instagram, you probably already know that. But anyways, I went in Chanel and I was looking for stuff, scarves, handbags, stockings, a little bit of, shoes, tennis shoes, trainers, whatever you call it. Everything that I wanted was sold out. And I had everything on my phone, like, oh, do you have this? Do you have that? And she's like, no. And you have to have the A number to show them what you're talking about, because if you show them a picture, they're like, I don't know what this is. So I had the A numbers. I was all ready. I had everything on my phone, and I'm like, do you have this? And she's like, no. We only got 2 of those. That sold out. That never, I had to make sure I'm still in focus. That sold out. That never made it into the store. Our boutique only received 1 of those. So I'm like, okay, so anyways, I said, well, let me go to Dior. I went to Dior. Really didn't see anything that I really loved that grabbed my attention. They do have these new bags. I wasn't really a fan of them. They're nice, just not my zhuzh. I'm more of a classic person. I love a classic bag, a timeless bag. That's just my, style, period. Timeless, classic, elegant. That is it. So I really don't go for trends too much. I mean, I'll try something trendy every now and again. Maybe I'll pick it up at Zara or Forever 21 or H&M or something like that. When I'm investing, I don't typically go for trends. Every now and then, I might slide something in. But for the most part, I'm a classic girl. Okay, anyways, so here is what I went in for. Like I said, I was looking for the PM. And I'm like, okay, but I really wasn't. Like, it was on my radar, but it really wasn't. There's no bag that really moved me that I was like, oh my God, I have to have that. Like, I have my dream bag already. I'm kind of good. I like to utilize my things, carry them. It's not about, just getting. I really like to use and enjoy them and make memories with them. That's just who she is. That's what she does. But anyways, so I'm like, okay, let's go in Louis Vuitton. I was visiting my friend. Hey, Wyatt, shout out to you. You guys, he rode out the red carpet for me as he always does. He brought out all these bags, all the new collection. This is that. I was so overwhelmed. I was like, oh my God, where have I been? Because I haven't been in Louis Vuitton in probably over a year. Ever since last year, the last time I visited Louis Vuitton was in February of 2019. I believe. And then you know what happened. Of 2020. Yeah, 2020. I'm sorry, February of 2020. And then after that, March, you already know what happened. Right? So I go in and I'm like, okay, and he's showing me all these bags, the jewelry, the fine jewelry that they, came together with the people at Tiffany's or something, you guys. He was telling me all the rundown and I was just like overwhelmed, like, oh my gosh. But anyways, he was bringing over all these bags. Mind you, when he walked me through the store, because they did a little renovation, so it looks a little different, but he walked me through the store and I'm like, my eyes locked with the bag and I was like, oh my gosh, I like that. So he's bringing out all these other bags and my mind was still over there. So I'm like, I want to see that one. He's like, okay. So he brought it over and he kept bringing out all these other bags because they had a couple other vanities. I think some were limited edition, some are new, some was like in a jean material. If I can pop pictures up, I will. But I still could not. Once I see something that I like I have the hardest time making a decision. But once I find something that I like I know what I like. I don't know what I don't like, but I don't know what I like, but I know what I don't like. Ooh, that was it. Follow it. Hit the like button if you follow that. Anyhow, this is it. Oh, can you see that? This is it. And look at what I got. You guys, I did not touch this, okay? I waited for you, but I want to carry this bag today. So I'm like, ooh, we better unbox it. That's why I'm in the same outfit, because I wanted to carry this bag. But this is how it came. Can you guys see that? This is how it came here. Da, da, da. You could probably tell what it is by the size of it. By the size of it here. Da, da. Oh, God, absolutely love it. It still comes in the dust bag here. This is what it looks like. And if you open it, any guesses? I guess I should have asked that earlier. But you guys, this is it. So I did end up getting the Vanity Case PM, right? With the gold hardware. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so gorgeous. This camera is not doing it justice. With the giant monogram, and this is in the Empreinte leather. If I'm saying that wrong, you already know she's trying. But this is in the Empreinte leather. It doesn't have the feet on the bottom as the other one does. It just came, you know, bare, no feet on the bottom. It does come with the zip lock. I'll try and get everything up close and personal, but it does come with the zip lock here. And it just, and I think they have the best zippers. I know some people said that it was a little hard to unzip, but not with this one. And you guys, it came with the chain. And the thing that I loved about this chain here is that I love a chain bag. I am a chain girl. I love it. I just think it looks so fancy and classy. And you know, she loves anything that's glitz and glam. And the chain definitely offers that. If you can see that there, I just want to make sure that you can see it. This chain is absolutely everything. This is the type of gold hardware that I like. I like a very gold hardware. I don't like champagne, not a real fan of silver. I like gold, and that's what this is. It's very it is adjustable, I should say. It is detachable, but on the part that you're going to carry on your shoulder, like so, there's no chain there, so it's not going to hurt you or dig into your shoulders if you're wearing like off the shoulders or off the sleeve or whatever the heck it is, you guys. It's not going to hurt you, right? And so this does go on the bag. It has it here. Now you can, I am such a top handle girl. That is another reason why I absolutely love this bag, because yes, you could put the chain on, or you can just carry it top handle. Inside, let's unzip it, it does have a few different compartments here. So you do have this compartment back here that has a zipper, and then you do have these two on the side. So this is an opening here, and then you have one on the other side, which is an opening over here, and then you do have one at the front. This is it here. You have an opening there as well. So it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, departments that you could store stuff in, maybe a lipstick, a lip gloss, a mirror, something like that. And then up here, it just have, I know the larger PM that I looked at before, it did come with a mirror up here. However, this one doesn't have it. It just has the Louis Vuitton sign up here, symbol like that. It does come with a real lock and a real key. You can always, you know, carry it with the shoulder strap and put your straps on like this. Let's put the straps on. I was gonna do, if you guys want to see what fits inside or what fits inside my bag, let me know, because I'm definitely gonna go pack it right now and then I'm gonna carry it. So if I was zipping it back up, I love the fact that it comes with a lock and key. Not that I'll be locking up my bag, but I mean, I guess you totally can if it came down to that. If I'm with the kind of people that I need to lock my bag, I'm with the wrong people, right? I mean, come on now. So this is here, and then I did love this. You could have got this hot stamp, but I think he told me because it had the LV here on the actual thing there that it wouldn't hot stamp, because it did have this little, you know, LV here there. The attention to detail, I love it. So there's the lock there and everything like that. I absolutely love this bag, you guys. It is so me. You can also carry it like this, because you know she loves a good chain detail. So I'm probably never really gonna put the chains away. Probably always gonna leave them out, but this is it here. I'll leave all the information as far as pricing and everything like that in the description box below. These are still in stock. They did come in another color. It comes in the small logo print, the normal Louis Vuitton print, and then it comes in another giant print and another color that was kind of like a cream and like a pink or fuchsia, something like that. I just thought that this would be easy to wear. It's very easy to style. It's timeless. It's elegant. It's classy. It's always going to be in style. It's always going to be in fashion, especially for me. Like, I don't care what people say. I rock and buy what I like. You know what I mean? Not really a trend kind of girl, as I stated. But this bag is going to be everything for me. I absolutely love it. And if you guys, like I said, want to know what fits inside, I will definitely be happy to do that. But this is the new bag in my collection, and I absolutely love it, you guys. Let me know your thoughts on the PM. What are your thoughts on Louis Vuitton right now? I know I heard a lot of people talking about their price increase. Are you still buying Louis Vuitton? Have you stopped? Have you got a new bag? What's your bag on your wish list? What's on your choice? Let me know. Guys, I just wanted to stop by and take 2.5s and share with you what I received, because I was like Instagramming it and wanted to see if you guys wanted to see what I got, and you said yes. So I wanted to share it with you. This is the new bag. Absolutely love it. I will be back probably, I'm probably going to carry it all spring and summer. It's a great color for spring and summer. I typically wear all white anyway, so it's going to match perfectly. So I will definitely be back to let you guys know what fits inside, the wear and tear, how it wears, how I'm styling it. Make sure you check out my Instagram to see how I'm styling it as well. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my video today. I truly appreciate you. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed. Stay fit, stay fabulous, but more importantly, wear your mask and stay safe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.